Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Fun with Penny. Today we are going to count the items and write in the box. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four flowers are there. We should write number 4. How many balls are there? 1, 2. We should write number 2. Now I am going to do a magic. Ibaskal, boo, chick chick boo. Hey, wow, this is the real ball. Wow, very nice. How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3. We should write number 3. How many chairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should write number 5. How many cows are there? 1. We should write number 1. Again, I am going to do a magic. Ibaskal, boo, chick chick boo. Wow, this is the real cow. Very nice. This is the cute. Cow says moo moo. Finish. Bye friends.
ఆగండి వీడియో చూసి అలా వెళ్ళిపోతే ఎలా? సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా.